Is it working, Professor?
Almost, Princess. We need a new character or two to join us. Mamma mia, maybe this isn't such a good idea after all. Oh, relax, Luigi. I bet the new character will be a dog, like me. I'm kind of concerned, guys, but what if it's a lion, like Samson, from the movie? Well, whoever it is, he or she's gotta be good. Mr. Luigi, may you push the button, please? What? No, I can't do it. I don't want to.
Oh, come on, Luigi. Don't be a scaredy cat. It's not like the button's gonna kill you or anything.
I hope you're right, Peach. Okay, here I go. What's happening, Professor? I don't know.
Once again, she didn't invite me to any of her parties.
Mamma mia, that was a close one. Guys, look! Okay, I'm totally freaking out right now. Mario, what is that? I don't know, bro, but it's getting closer. Oh. My goodness, that was a ride, wasn't it, Regent? Easy for you to say. It almost killed me. I say, where are we? I don't know, Clank. Mamma mia, Professor! These characters look very nice. Yes, indeed they do, Mario. One of them is a Lombax, and the other's a robot. Whoa, what's going on? And who are these people and animals anyway? Oh, Mamma mia, sorry about that. It's me, Mario! Wahoo! And welcome to Mermaid Kingdom. What's your name? Regent. And this is Clank. At your service, Mario. I'm the professor. And it's me, Luigi. Wahoo!
I'm Princess Peach. Call me Bridget, because that's my name. It's a real pleasure.
I'm Oliver the dog, and this is Lenny.
Hi, Mr. Regent. I'm so glad you're not a shark. Wow, you're the most handsomest animal I've ever seen. Even more handsome than Sonic. Who's Sonic? Sonic is a stupid blue hedgehog, but I don't want to talk about him. But anyway, where are you from? Ratchet and I are from the PlayStation Company. Oh, really? I'm from Disney. And I'm from Mattel. No, wait, I'm not really from Mattel. Actually, I'm from DreamWorks. The same movie company that creates Shrek and the Trolls and Kung Fu Panda.
So, will you boys join us, please?
Oh, come on, guys. Please join us.
Yeah, we'll give you some gold coins. Well, okay. We'll join you. Yes, absolutely. Wahoo! Thank you, guys. We knew you wouldn't let us out.
Absolutely, 100% surely.